Welcome to another episode of the Cuban Gardener. Today I'm going to show you just a quick overview, a tour of the garden. I'm going to show you what's growing. In this container I have some mix of red Russian kale, curly, and dino kale, or Tuscan kale. This one is just a full container of red Russian kale. On this one, it's curly kale. This is my dino kale, Senato kale. It's been growing for like months and months. I've been harvesting like crazy from that. In my containers, I have some peppers. These are ripening. I got some more here. My plant is full of peppers. See? More peppers. More peppers. This plant here is my sweet cachucha pepper. It's a sweet little pepper from the Caribbean, mainly Cuba, Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico. We use it for everything. I got some growing. I got many bell peppers growing in that container. This is another cachucha pepper. It's already flowering. In these containers I have some red and purple cabbage that I grew from seed. On this container I have some curly kale, lacinato, red Russian, and some what do you call this thing? I forgot. Cilantro. More cabbage. Up here in this bed I have, I think it's like 3 different varieties of tomatoes. That one is it's heirloom, just like that one on the corner. These are growing like crazy. Up here, these are like a bunch of cherry tomatoes and just regular tomatoes, slicing tomatoes. Up here, got more tomatoes. Look at that. Got some peppers. Look at that. This thing is massive. And up here I have some more tomatoes. These are heirloom. These I got at Publix. I went to a Publix a few months ago, and they had a section of heirloom. They didn't have the names, just based on the shape and the color. Like this one here. This one turns yellow. So this is like a yellow tomato. Probably grows like that. Not too big, not too small. The other ones are like purple zebras, like a purple brownish color with a few stripes. This is my last cabbage from winter. This is the only one I grew in the ground. All the rest were grown in containers. So this one took a lot longer to grow, especially to that size. Here I have a moringa tree that I grew from seed. This I'm gonna give away to a cousin of mine. It's very healthy to have in the house. Some more cabbage. Now let's go and see what's growing from seed. Alright, here I got some Roma tomatoes, some green cabbage, all season cabbage. I'll be planting that. Got some beets, some lettuce. This is red lettuce. These are some transplants of lettuce, green lettuce. Green lettuce as well. Just these two are that's a different lettuce. Here I got some more peppers. This is a mix of bell peppers and many bell peppers in different colors. I have yellow, red, orange. I got some Bush Champion cucumbers that I have to plant into containers. Some kale that I have left over from seeds. I just don't know where to plant them, and I don't want to throw them away, so we'll see. I hate throwing out food like that. Now in this two containers, I have some green lettuce, and some red tail lettuce. Oh wow, look, it's bolting. Look at that. I've been harvesting a lot from these. I've had them for months. Look at this. This grows like crazy, man. Everyone should have a container full of salad, just like that. Just cut and come again. Within a week, 7 to 10 days, it'll grow back, and you just keep eating and eating until it bolts. This is always best to have in a partial shady area. You don't want 8 hours of full sun, otherwise it'll go to this, to flower. And once that happens, this tends to get bitter. So I'm just gonna collect the seeds from that. Alright, that was it, guys. I'll keep you updated. Also, this on the right is just to collect rainwater.